Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a very beautiful gift for Father's Day. First, let's brainstorm some fantastic ideas tailored just for him. Consider his unique hobbies, like fishing or reading, and his daily needs. A thoughtful, personalized present shows you truly understand him. Remember, the most cherished gifts often come from the heart, reflecting genuine effort and love, making them truly special for years to come. Now, let's get creative with some hands-on projects. You could compile a photo album with 20 to 30 of your favorite family pictures, or design a custom mug featuring a funny inside joke. For the handy dad, a simple wooden phone stand, perhaps measuring 6 by 4 inches, makes a practical and heartfelt present. These handmade items carry immense personal value. The presentation of your gift is just as important as the gift itself. Take time to wrap it beautifully with quality paper and a lovely ribbon, perhaps in his favorite color. A heartfelt, handwritten card, expressing your gratitude in 50 to 75 words, adds a deeply personal touch. Presenting it during a special family moment, like a shared breakfast, makes the experience even more memorable. Ultimately, the most beautiful gifts are not about monetary value, but the love and thought behind them. Your effort in creating something unique will speak volumes, strengthening your bond with your father. Remember, a truly memorable present comes from the heart, reflecting genuine care. These cherished moments and thoughtful gestures create lasting memories for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.